In this video, let us see about the canonical form and standard form. A Boolean expression can be expressed in terms of canonical form or standard form. So in standard form, there are two types, sum of products and product of sum. So all these topics will be covered in this video. To learn about this, you need to have some understanding about Minterm, Maxterm, sum of Minterm and product of Maxterm. If you are not aware of this, you can refer to the previous video on Minterm and Maxterm. That is video number 10. Let us see what is a Minterm. So if you take two variable function, there will be four combinations, 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. If these two variables are combined with the AND operator, AND operator is nothing but it is a product. So A, B, this product symbol represents the AND operator. When this variable value is 0, we normally represent it as A dash. That is, A is in its complemented form. A dash dot B dash. So this is A dash B, A B dash, A B. All these are called Minterm. And the Minterm is normally represented by small m. So this is M0, M1, M2 and M3. If you want to know more about Minterm, please refer to the previous video so that it will be easy to learn this canonical form and standard form easily. Let us see how to express a Boolean function in terms of sum of minterms. We have seen for two variables, A and B are input variable and C is the output. For a two variable function, four minterms are there. This M0, M1, M2 and M3 are the four minterms. To write the expression, output expression in terms of sum of minterm, first you have to identify the minterm which will produce 1 as output. So here M1, M2, M3 are producing 1 as the output. Then you have to add all these three minterms. So C is equal to M1, M2, M3. So first identify the 1 in output, take that minterm, add it. So what is M1? M1 can be written as A dash B and M2 is A B dash and M3 is A B. So this is the output expression for this truth table. Next we will see what is Maxterm. So when these two variables are combined with OR operator, OR operator means plus symbol. So A plus B, you have to remember here 0 should be taken as A, not A dash. Okay. 0 is A plus B. So here A plus B dash and A dash plus B and this is A dash plus B dash. And Maxterm capital M is used. M0, M1, M2 and M3. Now we will see how to express the Boolean function in terms of product of Maxterms. So first you identify the Maxterms which produce 0 in the output. Okay. So here M0, M1, M2 all three have 0 in the output. Then you add those items. And means product. You have to multiply. C is equal to M0, M1 and M2. So what is M0? A plus B. What is M1? A plus B dash. M2 is A dash plus B. So multiply all these things. This is the expression in terms of product of Maxterm. A Boolean function can be expressed either as a sum of Minterm or product of Maxterm. So we can see this expression y is equal to A dash B. What is this? This is a Minterm. A B dash is another Minterm. This is another Minterm. We are combining the Minterms by this plus sign. So that is called the sum. So this is sum of Minterm. Next we will see product of Maxterm. So what we are doing here? Two variables A and B both are here. So here inside we have the plus sign and outside you have the product of two Maxterm. So these two are Maxterm and we are finding the product of the Maxterm. So it is called product of Maxterm. Now what is canonical form? If all the literals are present in each term of the Boolean expression, we call it as canonical form. What do you mean by that? You see this expression. It is a 3 variable function. A, B and C are there. So here also I have 3 variables. Here 3 variables are there. Here also 3 variables are there. Okay. So this is said to be canonical form. Here A is a literal, A or A dash, anything is called a literal, B is another literal and C is another literal. So this is a 3 literal function. If all the literals are present in each term of the Boolean expression. So this is one term, this is second term, this is third term. In each term, if you have all the literals, we call it as a canonical form. You see this function, here also we have 3 variables, here also 3 variables. So it is said to be canonical form. So normally when we write in terms of Minterms and Maxterms, always it will be in canonical form. If you take this function, you see here, it is a 3 variable function, but here I have 3 variables, whereas here only 2 variables is there. C is missing. Here A is missing. So this is said to be non-canonical form. This is not a canonical form. So you see this function, here C is missing, here A is missing, B is missing. If you get this type of function, it is said to be non-canonical. So how do you get this type of function? Normally when you simplify this one, you can get this type. So then it is said to be a non-canonical function. Let us see some examples. So here a truth table is given. It is a 3 variable function and output is given. Question is, you have to express the Boolean function as sum of Minterm and product of Maxterm. So 2 questions are here with subdivisions. So first let us find what is the sum of Minterm. So first you write the Minterms. So for Minterm use small m, start from 0 till 7. Okay, because totally for 3 input variable you will have 8 combinations and you mark it from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First you have to find what are the minterms which will produce 1 in the output. So M3 is here, M5, M6 and M7. So 4 ones are here. So 4 term in the output. Y is equal to M3, M5, M6 and M7. Sum of minterms we have written. So this M3 I can write it as, what is M3? This part. It is 0 here. So A dash B C. So A dash B C. For M5, A B dash C. So for 0 you have to specify dash, and if it is 1 you can write the variable as such. So similarly you can write for the remaining terms, and this is the answer for sum of minterms. This is said to be in canonical form because all the variables are present in all the terms. So it is a canonical form. Normally one notation is actually used to express the sum of minterms, which is y is equal to sigma. Sum means we normally represent sigma, small m, bracket you can write these numbers 3, 5, 6, 7. So instead of writing the whole equation, you can write it in this way also. Next we have to find the Boolean expression as a product of Maxterm. First you mark the Maxterms M0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now for Maxterm, first you have to identify the terms which produce 0 in the output. So here M0, M1, M2 and M4 have 0 in the output. Now it is product of Maxterms. So y is equal to M0 into M1, M2 and M4. So what is M0? M0 is here in Maxterm, you remember 0 should be taken as A. If it is 1, you should take it as A dash. So here it is A plus B plus C, this term A plus B plus C, and this is A plus B plus C dash, and this is A plus B dash plus C, and this is A dash plus B plus C. Now combining the solution, when we express the sum of minterms, y is equal to M3, M5, M6 and M7, which is written as sigma m of these three numbers 3, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, for product of Maxterms, we will write y is equal to M0, 1, 2, 4, which can be represented by this pi symbol, which represents the product, and capital M should be used, and you can see here whatever number is missing here will be present here 0, 1, 2, 4. So normally this type of questions will be asked in multiple choice questions. So this will be given and you need to find out this one. So directly you can write the numbers which is not present here. Next we will see another example where the instead of truth table expression is given. So you need to express the Boolean function as sum of minterms. So given y is equal to A plus B dash C. So is it possible to express in terms of minterms? What we have to do is, first you have to bring it to canonical form. Okay, then only you can express in terms of minterm. So let us bring this to canonical form. Canonical form means all literals should be present in each term. So by seeing this equation, we know it is a 3 variable function. A, B and C are there. So Here B and C are missing. In this term A is missing. So we should include B and C here and A here. So how to include the missing terms? So A, here B and C are missing. So I am multiplying by B plus B dash, and for C again C plus C dash. Why do I particularly multiply by this combination B plus B dash? Because A plus A dash is equal to 1, or any variable plus its complement will be equal to 1. That is 1 plus 0 is 1. So I am multiplying by 1 here. A dot B plus B dash, C is also missing, so C plus C dash, plus here A is missing, so A plus A dash, then the remaining term. Now you simplify this one. So multiply A with this combination, then this combination with B dash C. So you simplify this, you will get these many terms. If anything is repeating, you can neglect one. You see here A, B, C. That is, if you have A plus A, it is A. That is 1 plus 1 means it is 1. So if two terms are same, you see here this term A, B dash C is here. Here also another A, B dash C. Same term is repeating means you strike off one and you can have one term. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 terms will be there. So now this is in canonical form because each term is having all the 3 variables. So now we have to express in terms of minterm. So already it is in minterm. Now we will write what is this number. So A means 1, B 1 and C 1. So this is ABC. So it corresponds to M7. This is A, B and C dash. So 1, 1, 0. Here 1, 0, 1 and this is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So write it in ascending order. So this is 1, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So y is equal to sigma m of 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the answer. Next example, we will express the Boolean function in terms of product of Maxterms. So again, this is not in product form. We have to bring it to product form. So like this, product form means this thing should be there. Two terms should have a product in between. That is the product form. Another thing, max form should be there. Max term means two variables should be combined by this or operator. So first let us bring it to product form. For that apply the distributive law. So A plus B dash into A plus C. Now it has come to product form. Next we have to bring it to canonical form. So this is non-canonical because C is missing here and B is missing here. So let us bring C and B to this term. For that what we can do is A plus B dash plus C into C dash. Why C into C dash? Something dot product of its complement will be equal to 0. So literally I am adding 0 to this variables. So I am adding again 0 here. B dash means it is 0. So I am adding 0 here. So now you apply again the distributive law and split it out. A plus B dash into C plus this dot product A plus B dash into B dash plus C dash. Again this one you split it a plus c plus b into a plus c plus b dash. So now this is in canonical form, or product of Maxterms is here. Now let us find the numbers for this. So again you can see here a plus b dash plus c. Again the same term is repeating here, a plus b dash plus c. So strike off one thing. So you have 3 terms now. So what is this? A means 0, 1, 0. So this is Maxterm. A should be taken as 0 and dash should be taken as 1. So you find this is 2, this is 3, this is 0. Write in ascending order. So I can write for Maxterm this symbol pi should be used, capital M, 0, 2 and 3. So this is the answer. We saw what is canonical form, that is all literal should be present in each term of the Boolean expression. So here all 3 variables are there in each term. So it is canonical form. If in some expression all variables will not be there, so here C is missing and here A, B is missing. So such type of equation is called standard form. So it can contain any number of literals in each term. Then we call it as a standard form. That is, if you simplify this one, you make it this one. There are 2 types of standard form, that is called sum of product and product of sum. So sum of product means SOP, product of sum means POS. It is something related to sum of Minterm and sum of Maxterm. In case of Minterm, all literals will be present, but in sum of product form, some literal may not be present. So here C is missing, here AB is missing. So this is plus sign is here. So we call it as sum of product. So ABC is a product. We are using some plus symbol to combine these. So it is called sum of product. Here it is product of sum. So here this equation you see only A is here, but it is in product form. So it comes under POS form. Let us see in detail about sum of product form. So y is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. So all products are here. All the products are summed here. So this is sum of product form. Instead of dot symbol, I can simply write it like this also. Both are acceptable. So the variables can be in complemented form also. So instead of AB, I can have A dash B or AB dash, some dash is also allowed. Product of sum means here first sum will be there, A plus B is there, then you are doing the finding the product for all the terms. So this is product of sum. If you like the material, do subscribe to Read Electric Vehicle channel, and if you like it, please share it with your friends. And if you need any other material, you can just mail to readelectricvehicle@gmail.com. Thank you.